Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to republish a trick that I taught a couple years ago that uses a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, and a rubber band. So you have your spectators pick any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it, don't show you. You take their card and you just lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck so you don't have any idea where it is. You can give the deck a few cuts and even a few shuffles if you like, completely losing the location of their card. Now what you want to do is now get your magic rubber band, take it, wrap it around the cards once, and then very tightly wrap it around twice. Now leave enough room so you can get your hand in there, and if you give the deck a toss, 1, 2, 3, one card comes from the deck to the back of your hand, around the rubber band. The 2 of clubs was that your selected card, and that's card trap, and it's really not that hard to do. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you're looking to support this channel through the YouTube membership program, you can do that all in the links given below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, card trap, the tutorial. So it's a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select a card, and then you're gonna have to control that card to the bottom of the deck. So let's just say they pick this card right here. They look at it, remember it. You take their card, place it, around the middle of the deck, maybe a little bit higher than the middle. Push it in, and then there's a couple ways to do this. I'm just showing you the way that I did it here in this video. On the last push, leave about a half inch, quarter inch of the deck remaining, and then on your last push, all you do is just lift up with your thumb and then maintain a break here with your pinky, and that'll get their card on the bottom of this top stack. So their card's on the bottom of this top stack, you have another stack of cards there. Take and cut, after you've pushed it in, get that break, cut at the break because you want their card on the bottom, place the cards on the table, and then cut about half of the remaining pack of cards, place those cards on top, and then place the rest of the cards on top. And what you've done is just maintain that selected card to the bottom of the deck. You can shuffle as many times as you like. As long as you shuffle the bottom card first, you can maintain that card at the bottom position. So you can shuffle, 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 just as long as you shuffle that card first. Their card's on the bottom. Now when you go to grab your rubber band, get another break underneath that bottom card with your pinky. So this is kind of exaggerated, but you just want to, just enough break so you can put the rubber band the first time around the deck in between the bottom card and the rest of the cards. So when you grab your rubber band, get your pinky break, place the rubber band underneath all the cards except for their selected cards. So the rubber band now, the first time, is just around all the cards, and the bottom card doesn't have the rubber band around it, okay? Now stretch this rubber band out, and then with your middle finger, pull on the top side of the rubber band and give it a twist, and you're gonna wrap this now circle, okay, around all the cards. Now here, pull with your middle finger down, okay, so a piece of the rubber band's on the bottom. Twist the rubber band and then place it around all the cards. So you have a situation where the rubber band's around the bottom card only once. That's the second time you did it. It's above the bottom card, and you're holding this kind of knot with the rubber band. It's not really a knot, it's just gonna release the tension from the rest of the rubber band on, except for the bottom card, okay? So now get just one of the round pieces of rubber band on the top one, place your hand in there, and then hold the deck tightly with your hand and let this knot with your middle finger go, okay? Once you hear that snap, you'll know that you're ready to perform the kind of toss maneuver where the card's gonna come back on your hand. Once that's released, now when you drop the deck, you don't really have to toss it, but you've heard that click. Once you toss it, all the cards will drop on the table, and the one card that was on the bottom will now flip over on top of your hand. Okay, so that's card trap. A little bit the thing with the rubber band, how you wrap it around the cards, okay, that's just what you're gonna have to get some practice with. So if you just have it one more time, I'll go into detail. Get a break underneath the bottom card once you've controlled their selected card to the bottom. Okay, wrap the rubber band around all the cards except for the bottom card. And then pull, this is my right hand, my left middle finger, I'm pulling the top part of that rubber band down and just holding it with my finger, okay? I'm not wrapping my finger around it or anything like that. I'm just pulling and holding down and then twisting this and wrapping around the card. So I'm holding that little knot there with my middle finger. I have one loop around the bottom cards. And then when you take your hand and put it on the top of that rubber band strap, hold tightly, remove your middle finger, and when you toss it down, one card will flip over, and that'll be their selected card. Okay, practice it. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I do respond to comments, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I post new tutorials every week, okay? Thank you for watching, and until next time.